If your sales reps say, I did not call the lead because I did not see it was assigned to me, then this video is for you. This happens primarily because of two reasons. One, your sales rep is genuinely busy in following up and calling other leads. So they don't get the time to open Google Sheets every 10 minutes and see if a new lead has been assigned to them. Two, it's just an excuse. They saw the lead, did not act on it, and now they are covering up for it. And the worst part about this is you can't tell which one it is. There's no system in place that taps them on the shoulder and says, hey, a new lead has been assigned to you, check it out. As a result of which, leads slip through. The rep says that he did not even see that a lead was assigned to them, and you and your sales manager are left guessing. Was it a genuine mistake or was it poor accountability? Either way, the damage is done. The opportunity is wasted and the lead is gone forever. This small mistake can cost you a lot of leads and a lot of deals. But the solution to this problem is equally simple. Real-time lead notifications. A system that automatically notifies your sales rep when a new lead has been assigned to them. A system that tells them who the lead is, where they are from, and what their interests are. So the reps don't have to dig through an Excel or a Google Sheet to find out the information. They just have to open their WhatsApp and the lead is right there ready to be called. And the best part about this is, all of this can be done on automation without you lifting a finger. You don't have to remind them, you don't have to call them, you don't have to follow up with them. A sales automation tool does everything for you. How does this actually work? Let's break it down for you. You don't have to send a single message manually. The sales automation system automatically captures leads, it assigns them to your sales rep, and at the same time, your sales reps receive a notification on WhatsApp. A message like a new lead has been assigned to you, the name is Ramesh, the lead source is Facebook ads, and they're interested in our pricing plans. And yes, it works across all your lead sources, IndiaMart, Just Dial, Facebook, your website. All leads flow into one central dashboard where rules are set once and automation does the rest for you. But will I lose control? Not at all. You can see exactly when that lead was generated, who it was assigned to, and whether that sales team member has called the lead or not. So there's no more confusion and absolutely no more excuses from any sales team member. And don't worry, you don't need coding or a very expensive software. With the right sales automation system in place, setting up automation is mostly just plug and play. So if you're interested to know more about sales automation tool, we already have a video on it. So make sure to check that video out. In this video, you saw that leads are often ignored even after assignment, and the problem is not your sales reps. It's a lack of a real-time system that tells them when to act. Fix that problem and you will eventually see faster follow-ups, better conversion rates, and fewer leads being lost. In the next video, we'll see how drip marketing campaigns can help you nurture, qualify, and even close leads on automation. So make sure to check those videos out as well. But if you're already thinking, I want sales automation in my business, we have got just the right tool for you. All you have to do is click the link in the description and connect with our sales team. Let's fix your sales process once and for all. Until next time, bye-bye.